Thank you very much. Once again, welcome. This is going to be our general panel today, but as you learned from this morning's panel, probably the only thing constant about the Arctic, as well as the world itself, is change. And it's something that change that we're all going to need to adapt to, get used to, and see what we can do in dealing with it. The Arctic is very important for many, many reasons. On the industry side, if you're interested in oil and natural gas, the Arctic is estimated to be potentially contain 25% of the world's undiscovered oil and natural gas resources. Changes in the Arctic ice cover is enabling shipping and the U.S. Navy to make use of the Northwest Passage for transit, shortening shipping times and reconfiguring very strategic waterway prioritizations. Fishing remains a vital industry in the Arctic, contributing to the world's ever-growing need for food. The Arctic remains a home to many significant native population as well. The Arctic is becoming an increasing levels of tourism because people are interested in seeing that area of the town, or that area of the world. I'm sorry, I guess if you say the world is just a big town, it would be a town. The United States is one of the key Arctic nations. The United States is set to assume the chairmanship of the Arctic Council. And at the same time, the Interior Department is considering whether and when to allow offshore oil and gas development, and new rules for drilling the region could have potentially billions of dollars of impacts as well as benefits. Much is on the horizon for the frontier region, yet much remains to be learned as well. There has been a lot of scientific study done. MMS and Bowman have completed over 30 years of scientific studies and continue to do so as well. But today's panel is going to touch on another aspect of what is actually going to be new and necessary in the future. Our first speaker is Eric Melito from the American Petroleum Institute. He is the Director of Upstream and Industry Operations. The American Petroleum Institute is a national trade association which represents over 500 companies, all involved in aspects of oil and gas industry. And that includes production right on through, down to the part of transportation and even further as well. Eric's work he has a great history behind him. He actually started off in the Army. He went to school at Notre Dame. And I think you're going to find his presentation very interesting. So please welcome Eric Melito.